What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for ASML. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So just a reminder, if you're going to leave a donation, make sure you just leave one stock request. This viewer left two, I believe. They wanted to look at ASME, but when I looked at the ticker symbol, you really only see much. It looks like it's like a futures market or something like that. I don't know what this is, but they did leave a other option, which was ASML. I'm not sure if it's the same thing or not, but I'll go over this one because the price is more clearer to analyze. Second, since you left a donation, I do have a membership where you can get 4 stock requests in a month. Link in the video description below. So let's take a look at ASML on the daily chart. So it clearly looks like prices are in an uptrend. It's reversing. It's making higher highs, higher lows, and the EMA is pointing up. So that's a telltale sign that we are in an uptrend. So since we're in an uptrend, we gotta look for a price target towards the upside. We can use this one leg, clone it, and the market is trying to reach a measure move target at the 813 level. So I'll put a horizontal line there. So there's a good chance that market will reach it because of the uptrend, and prices are still moving up higher. But the thing is, we did see a breakout of this level right here, this 680 level, which is prior resistance. So it needs to confirm as support. So this was resistance here, resistance here. So since it looks like we're kind of getting topped out, we could see a pullback to this previous resistance that could probably turn into support for prices to rocket higher. Either way, either we go up from right now to the 813 level, or we pull back to the 681 level and go up higher. Either way, it's probably going to go up higher. It's more likely we get a pullback than just continue moving up from here, because the uptrend isn't that strong. It looks like if I connect the swings, you can see on this chart that it looks like we had a breakout side of this channel, which shows signs of weakness because of prices having a shallower angle now. So we'll see if this leads to a reversal or we just see a correction. Most likely it's just a correction and we see higher price targets. So that's all I see on the daily chart. It looks very good for higher price targets, and I'm looking for that 813 level on the daily chart to be reached. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. Here is the weekly chart. The weekly chart shows a slightly different picture. You can clearly see that there was this massive uptrend in play for the past decade or so, and then prices broke this uptrend, but we haven't seen a new high of it. This all-time highs at the 896 level, 900 level. You can just say 900 to round it, and that makes sense because these round numbers are psychological numbers. So 900 is the all-time highs. Prices formed a downtrend after reaching the all-time highs right over here. So you clearly see there was this downtrend right here, and then prices broke this downtrend right over here. It made a new low, so that shows signs of weakness in the downtrend, and you can clearly see that the EMA was acting as prior overhead resistance. Now it's acting as support. So prices are finding support at the EMA. It's bouncing off of it. So what does this tell me? So it looks like we had a prevailing large uptrend in play that led to this downtrend. Downtrend looks played out because we had a break of the channel and a new low, which shows signs of weakness. After the break of the channel, new low, what happened? Prices shot right to the EMA. Why didn't it shoot through the EMA in this entire bear market? Because now there was weakness in the downtrend, and then the bulls saw that and they busted prices right to the EMA, pulled back, and now it's bouncing off the EMA like it's in a bull trend. Whenever prices start bouncing off the EMA, we are in an uptrend. So prices are clearly working higher. This looks very good towards the upside. The only problem with this is that we're coming to an overextension, which we can lead to a pullback. But even after seeing the pullback, we could probably see higher price targets. So it looks like there's a spike in channel in play, a spike up, which is unsustainable, which is fine because then prices normally go inside of a nice 45-degree angle. So this looks pretty good. Again, first target I mentioned would be right over here. This is wall one leg up, and it's targeting the 813 level. However, these two legs right over here could be one large leg. So I'll be looking for the 813 level first, and then the next target will probably take us to the all-time highs at the 930 level. So those are my two targets in play. I'm only looking for higher price targets because it looks like the downtrend is played out and we are reversing in this uptrend. So there's a very good chance that this uptrend will continue moving higher towards these targets. Even if we see a large breakout of this channel, we should still see a couple of pushes after because Breaks of channels don't just reverse prices like over here. This was a break of the channel. We didn't just continue reversing up. We had a retest of the prior low. So even if we do see a break of the channel, we should retest the prior high. So either way, this looks very good towards the upside. I'll be looking for the all-time highs, but that could probably take, maybe Q3, Q4 of this year. Again, nothing's guaranteed. That's what it's setting up to do on the chart, and that's what I see on the chart. It looks like a nice prevailing uptrend in play in the past that led to this big downtrend correction. It looks like it's played out because of the break of the channel and a new low, and price is shooting right above the EMA. Now it's finding support at the EMA. Measure move targets have not been met, so the bulls have an incentive to continue driving up the price. And the first one is at the 813, which can lead to a large correction. And then if we still continue higher from there, which is also likely, then we're going to probably reach the all-time highs. So that's all I have for ASML on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.